Let me ask you something. Do you ever feel like your mind is getting weaker? Like your thoughts are scattered? Your focus is gone? Your discipline is fading? Your drive is inconsistent? Your willpower is almost dead? You try to sit down and work, but your brain refuses. You try to read, but you can't focus. You try to study, but your mind wanders. You try to change your habits, but nothing sticks. And deep down, you're scared because you can feel it. You can feel your mind slipping. You can feel your strength fading. You can feel yourself becoming weaker. Let me tell you the truth. Your mind is not broken. It's overloaded. Your mind feels weak because you've been feeding it things that make it weaker every single day. Your mind feels weak because you've trained it to be weak. You don't have a weak brain. You have a conditioned brain. Modern life has rewired you, destroyed your attention span, hijacked your dopamine, crushed your discipline, killed your ability to sit in silence. And now your mind is paying the price. Let me explain what's actually happening. Every time you pick up your phone the moment you feel bored, you weaken your mind. Every time you scroll without thinking, you weaken your mind. Every time you chase easy dopamine, you weaken your mind. Your mind becomes addicted to stimulation. It becomes allergic to effort. It sees silence as pain. It sees focus as torture. It sees discipline as impossible. Your brain has learned that comfort is the reward and effort is the enemy. So of course your mind feels weak. You've removed all the things that make it strong. Silence, stillness, discomfort, focus, effort, discipline, repetition, patience. These are the things that build a strong mind, and these are the things modern life has taken away from you. Your mind feels weak because you've given it nothing hard to do, nothing challenging, nothing meaningful. You've been training your brain like a prisoner, not a warrior. You reward it for avoiding pain. You reward it for running away. You reward it for escaping. You reward it for being weak. But here's the truth most people never hear. A strong mind is not something you're born with. It's something you build. Your mind becomes strong the same way your muscles do. Through resistance, through struggle, through discipline, through discomfort, through doing things you don't feel like doing, through choosing the harder path. Your mind feels weak because you've avoided everything that would have made it strong. But the moment you start training it, everything changes. Let me tell you what actually builds a strong mind. A strong mind is built when you sit with discomfort, when you feel an urge and don't act on it, when you feel bored and don't run to your phone, when you feel tired but still show up, when you feel scared but still move forward. A strong mind is built through self-control. A strong mind is built when you choose discipline over dopamine, when you choose long-term respect over short-term pleasure, when you choose silence over stimulation, when you choose focus over distraction, when you choose effort over escape. Your mind becomes stronger every time you do something difficult on purpose, every time you resist your impulses, every time you push through the boredom, every time you finish something you started, every time you act like the man you want to become, instead of the boy you used to be. You want to fix your weak mind? Stop feeding it things that weaken it, and start feeding it things that strengthen it. Turn off the noise. Put down the phone. Close the tabs. Stop scrolling. Stop running from silence. Let your mind breathe. Let it reset. Let it rebuild. Start doing things that require focus. Start doing things that require patience. Start doing things that require effort. Read, train, walk alone, work deeply, sit in silence, do the hard tasks, finish what you start. Every time you do this, you reclaim a piece of your mental strength, and slowly, your mind becomes clearer, sharper, more disciplined, more grounded, more focused, more powerful. and you realize something life-changing. Your mind was never weak. It was just untrained. You just needed to stop poisoning it and start challenging it. So the question is this: are you going to keep feeding your mind the things that kill it? The distractions, the dopamine, the escapes, the comfort, the noise, or are you finally going to rebuild it? Because once you rebuild your mind, once you restore your discipline, once you strengthen your focus, once you take back control, you become unstoppable. Not because life becomes easy, but because your mind becomes strong, and a strong mind changes everything.